Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Have you been dreaming of earning money online but have no idea where to start? Well, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to break down exactly how you can go from earning nothing to making $100 a day online, step by step. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash on the side or build a full-time income, this guide has something for you. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you won't want to miss the tips we're sharing today. Let's get started. Choose a side hustle that fits your skills and interests. The first step to making money online is to pick a side hustle that you actually enjoy and can stick with. You don't need to be a tech genius or a marketing expert to start earning. The key here is finding something that matches your interests and skills. If you're a creative person, maybe start a blog. Or if you have a knack for social media, you can focus on content creation or social media management. When you pick something you enjoy, it doesn't feel like work. Whether it's writing, designing, or helping people with their fitness goals, your chances of sticking with it are higher when you're doing something that excites you. Once you've decided what interests you, commit to learning and improving in that area. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can start earning with something you're passionate about. 9. Start freelancing on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Freelancing is one of the quickest ways to start earning money online. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr allow you to offer your services to people worldwide. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, photographer, or even a virtual assistant, there's something for everyone. The best part? You don't need a huge following or advanced skills to get started. To begin, sign up for one of these platforms, create a profile that highlights your strengths, and start bidding for jobs. At first, it might take some time to land your first gig, but don't get discouraged. Over time, as you build your reputation and gather reviews, you can raise your rates and start working with bigger clients. Freelancing's perfect for beginners because it's flexible. You get to choose when you work, how much you work, and who you work with. Plus, with many opportunities available, you can increase your income to $100 a day relatively quickly. 8. Try affiliate marketing to earn passive income. Affiliate marketing is a fantastic way to make money online passively. If you're unfamiliar, affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services from other companies and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote these products on your blog, YouTube channel, Instagram, or any platform where you have an audience. The key to affiliate marketing is choosing products that align with your audience's interests. For example, if you run a fitness blog, promote fitness-related products like workout gear or supplements. If you have a beauty YouTube channel, recommend skincare or makeup products. When people click on your affiliate link and make a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale, which means you can make money even while you sleep. You can also join affiliate programs from major companies like Amazon or through networks like ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and Rakuten Marketing. These platforms provide a wide range of products you can promote to get started. 7. Become a virtual assistant. Virtual assistants, VAs, are in high demand, as many businesses need help with administrative tasks but don't want to hire a full-time employee. As a virtual assistant, you could be handling tasks like managing emails, scheduling appointments, social media management, customer service, data entry, and more. The best part? You don't need to be an expert in anything to start. A lot of the work is fairly basic and can be learned quickly. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Belay Solutions are great places to find VA jobs. If you're organized, reliable, and have basic computer skills, you can start earning money as a VA in no time. The potential to make $100 a day as a VA is definitely achievable, especially if you specialize in certain tasks that are in high demand. 6. create and sell your own digital products. Selling digital products is another excellent way to earn money online, especially if you have a creative streak. Digital products could include things like ebooks, printable planners, online courses, stock photos, or design templates. Once created, digital products can be sold on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. The key here is to create something that offers value to your target audience. For example, if you're knowledgeable in a certain area like finance, you could write an ebook or create a course teaching others how to manage their money. If you're skilled in graphic design, create templates for social media posts, resumes, or websites. Once your digital products are created, they can be sold repeatedly with little to no additional effort. It's a great way to create a source of passive income that can grow over time. 5. Start a YouTube channel. Have you ever considered starting a YouTube channel? It's a great way to make money online, especially if you enjoy talking about specific topics or showcasing your talents. Whether you're into gaming, fashion, cooking, or tech, there's an audience for almost everything. Monetizing a YouTube channel can take time, but once you've reached 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for the YouTube Partner Program and start earning ad revenue. Besides ads, you can also earn money through sponsored content, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products. If you're just starting out, don't worry about having the best equipment or editing skills. Focus on providing valuable content that resonates with your audience. With consistency, your channel can grow and generate a steady stream of income. 4. Sell your photography or art online. If you're a photographer or an artist, you can make money by selling your photos or artwork online. There are several platforms where you can upload and sell your images, such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Etsy. Whether you're shooting photos for stock websites or creating original art to sell, there's always a demand for creative work. Selling photography or art can be a great side hustle because you can create the pieces in your free time and sell them over and over again. It's one of those income streams that can generate passive income, especially as you build a portfolio of work. 3. Teach or tutor online. If you have expertise in a particular subject, online tutoring or teaching could be the perfect way to earn money. Whether it's teaching English to students abroad, helping people study for exams, or offering classes on creative topics like painting or photography, there's a demand for online teachers and tutors. Platforms like VIP Kid, italki, and Chegg Tutors allow you to connect with students looking for help. If you prefer to set up your own tutoring business, you can use social media or online advertising to attract clients. As with other online businesses, the more students you work with, the more money you can make. 2. Participate in online surveys and market research. While online surveys won't make you rich, they can be a quick way to earn a little extra cash. Many companies pay individuals to take surveys and participate in market research to help them improve their products and services. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars offer opportunities to earn money by completing surveys, watching videos, and signing up for deals. While it's not a full-time income, it's a simple way to make a little extra cash without much effort. You won't get rich doing surveys, but you can add a few dollars to your daily total, helping you reach that $100 a day goal. 1. Build an online business. The ultimate way to make $100 a day is to build a sustainable online business. This could involve any number of things, such as launching an e-commerce store, creating a membership site, or offering high-ticket consulting services. Building an online business takes time and effort, but it's one of the best ways to create long-term passive income. It allows you to scale up your earnings, and once the business is established, you can automate a lot of the work. Starting an online business requires planning, consistency, and dedication. However, the reward of turning it into a source of regular income makes all the effort worth it. There you have it, From freelancing to affiliate marketing, there are so many ways to go from $0 to $100 a day online. It's all about choosing the right path for your skills, interests, and time commitment. Remember, making money online is a gradual process, and it might take a little while to see those $100 days consistently. But with dedication and patience, you'll get there. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to earn money online. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your online money-making journey.